Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a deep and bronzy vibe for a makeup tutorial with lots of nice gold glitters as well. I'm going to be using the Colourpop Yes Please palette, which I'm really excited about, so just keep on watching. So the first shade I'm going in with is Full Zip, and I'm packing this all over the lid and up to the brow bone. Also, please excuse the leftover lash residue. I was practicing some looks and it all got stuck in my lashes. And sorry about my voice today, I am sick at the moment. Okay, the next shade I'm going in with is called Note to Self. And I'm going to begin to put this all in my crease, up near the brow bone, and really get the deep bronze going. Okay, the next shade is Gino, and I want to make this look really quick and simple, so I'm going to only try and use minimal colors. And this shade, I'm just putting that into the crease, pretty much exactly where we put Note to Self shade. And really blend that out. Alright, using a smaller brush and the shade French Kiss, I'm going to begin to pack that on the outside of my eye and really deepen up this whole look. Alright, going back in with the color Note to Self, I'm going to blend all of that out, especially up into the crease area. And I'm going to blend it onto the lid as well for now. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how the shape is looking now. And again, using French Kiss, I'm going to be a bit more precise just to deepen up the look even more. Just really lightly. Okay, now using the Colourpop concealer, I'm going to do a slight cut crease where I'm going to put the gold glitter. Alright, now going in with the shade Butter Cake, I'm going to put that all over where the concealer is as a base for our glitter. Now going back in with French Kiss, I'm going to gently try and buff that in a little bit. And now I'm just putting on top of that the shade Note to Self again. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to be using a combination of this shade and this shade, so the main two that we have been using throughout this whole look. Starting off with Note to Self. And now going in with French Kiss. Yeah, French Kiss. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the glitter. This is the Colourpop Glitterly Obsessed glitter in the shade Bring the Heat. This is actually a body glitter, not intended for the eyes. So if you're really nervous to use this, which understandable, you can just leave the look as is with just the gold shadow on top, but I really want to make it glittery and make it sparkle, so I'm going to be using this body glitter. But yeah, I don't recommend this because it can be quite dangerous, and if you do have an eye safe glitter, definitely use that. But I'll be using this today. There is a little bit of glitter stuck under here, but that's fine, we're just going to leave it there. For my highlight today, and inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in King Tut. For my waterline, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Get Paid. It is a metallic, which I'm hoping will work perfectly. Looks pretty good. So I don't really want to put any eyeliner on this look, so I'm just going to pop on some mascara and I will be right back. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Colourpop lip liner in BFF. And I'm going to top that with the So Juicy gloss in Beechwood. So if you don't want to use false lashes, just finish the look as is right now. But for the purpose of this video, I will be putting on false lashes. I'm really loving this look so far. I think it's really cool. So this is the look with no false lashes. So I'm going to put lashes on and I will be right back. And this is how it looks with lashes on. I just used the Demi Wispy lashes because they're really natural with a thin band, so it's perfect with no eyeliner on. This is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this easy tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and subscribe if you're new. Bye!